Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting together a press. I need a press for a lot of different jobs, but I needed one. The one I had for many years and it quit working, so I just went over to Hobo Freight and bought me a new one. It's a 12-ton press. I don't never need anything more than that. So today we're gonna put that sucker together. Stick around if you want to learn how to put together your press. The first thing I'm gonna do, or first thing I do, is I open the box. I go ahead and lay everything out on the floor, get it all separate. Get everything laid out separately. Things we're gonna need. This right here is one of the upright posts. Set it there. We're gonna need two of these over here. Two of them over here. We're gonna need 4 of these little bolts over here, and then 4 of them on this side as well. One of these brackets right here goes on each side with that. The little cutouts goes up. I've already started putting it together, and then I remembered, I already started putting it together. Then I remembered, hey, why don't we do a video? So I've already loosely put one of the upright posts together down here. You just set it inside here again. You want this up, slide your bolts through there. And then you have these 2 little brackets here. They're gonna go here to here, just like so. And they're gonna be held in with 2 of the little shorter bolts as well. I do have the instruction book here, and all I'm doing really is going off of this picture here, looking at how it's put together on here. And there you have it. So now, take and unscrew the bolt. The bolt goes through this side here. Stick it through. Put your bracket on there. And then your washer and your nut. And do the same thing on the bottom. Bolt through there. And your washer and your nut. And then same thing on the other side. Bolt through, washer, and the nut. Bolt through, washer and the nut. Okay, now to tighten these bolts here, you're gonna need a 17. Both the nut and the bolt are 17 millimeter. I've got a 17 on my little impact here and a 17 millimeter wrench to go ahead and tighten these up. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything together loosely, and then I'll tighten everything up. So we just come to the other side, and we do the same thing. Set our bracket there. Our upright goes there. Oops, sorry, upside down. Oops, goes there. Bolt through, bolt through. Like so. In the washer. Then start the nut. When I'm doing something like this, I always start all the nuts by hand. You don't want to put them in the gun and just shoot them up on there, because you don't want to be cross-threading stuff. Now we get our supports here. Again, bolt through, support bracket, washer, nut. Bolt through, washer, and nut. And over here, bolt through, okay, now that we've got this together this far, next step, get our upper piece here. It's going to bolt right here. Just slide the bolt all the way through to the back. Flat washer, lock washer, and nut. On the back side. Then we come over here. Slide that all the way through. Flat washer. Then on this side we do the same thing. Slide it through, flat washer, lock washer, and nut. And get the last two bolts in your top piece. And there you go ahead. Slide our pins in here. Okay, next, we slide our pins in. Then we stick this in like this and rotate it down to rest on top of the pins, just like that. Okay, now we'll go ahead and set this in. Just let it slide down. Okay, you take your hooks here, slide them down through the hole all the way through the bottom, and then screw your little nut. Screw it up. You're going to come up however far you want to. Do that same thing over here. Slide it down. Put the nut on the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and start tightening everything up. Only thing we got left to do is put our jack on there and hook up the springs. So let's go ahead and tighten everything you want to. Okay, go ahead and tighten them up. These nut and bolts here are 19s. I just grabbed a couple of wrenches. And we'll go ahead and tighten these. Get them nice and snug. Come over here. We'll do the same thing. That one tight. Okay, and that one's tight now. Okay. Now we set our jack up here on the press. Go ahead and screw it down in. Put the bolts, these two bolts here, go to hold the jack in place. Just little Allen head bolts. Get an Allen wrench. Okay, I'm here with the press. Got everything tightened down. Got the springs in action. I just pressed a pin out of a rod to make sure it works. Just release it. There it goes, the springs pull it back up. Tighten it. And there you have it. It's moving down. So, okay, that's another job done on the shop press here. I'll get it situated somewhere in the shop. Right now I need to use it to press in the rod pins on this 5.7 that I'm getting ready to refresh for that friend of mine. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. On 80% of you guys are hitting that subscribe button. It don't cost you a dime. Just hit it for me. Help me out. Don't forget to like, comment down below. I'll see you next time.